Presenting the Ford 2013 Explorer Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: voice-activated navigation system, BLIS Plus inflatable rear seatbelt package, equipment group 300A, trailer tow package, Class 3, 12 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder and premium audio system, Sony. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.